English Grammar Guide, Lesson 19. The present for future events. The present simple and present continuous can be used to talk about future events that are already planned. They are usually used with a future time word or time phrase. The present simple for future events can be used to talk about events that are scheduled to take place in the future. Look at this example. The train arrives at 10 p.m. tonight. You have present simple arrives. Also, you have the word tonight, which refers to a point in the future. But we are talking about schedule, about scheduled event. That's why we use the present simple. How to form? The first place takes the subject, the train. Then goes the verb in the present simple, arrives, because the train we can replace with the pronoun it. Then we have future time phrase, at 10 p.m. tonight. Let's look at further examples. Don't forget, we have an early meeting tomorrow morning. The next flight to New York departs at 6 evening. The concert is next Wednesday. I hope we are ready by then. The bank opens late tomorrow because it's the weekend. The present continuous for future events can be used to talk about prearranged future events. Time markers usually show whether the event is in the present or future. Look at the example. At the moment, Dave is working, but tomorrow he is playing golf. You have the time, at the moment. It shows the action refers to the present. And you have the present continuous, which refers to Dave's present activity right now, at this very moment. But tomorrow he is playing golf. I have tomorrow. And this word refers, shows the action to the future. And we have is playing golf. That is the present continuous, which refers to a future event that is planned earlier, beforehand, in advance. How to form? As usual, the first place takes the subject, our Dave, then the present continuous. To form the present continuous, you need to be verb, to be, as our Dave is a pronoun he, that's why we use is. Then we have the verb in an ing form. Then goes our future time phrase. In our case, that is tomorrow. Let's look at further examples. Jake's playing soccer tomorrow. I'm seeing a movie later. Sue is studying this evening. Lisa is playing golf tomorrow. I'm having dinner with Mike next weekend. Jay is meeting some friends tomorrow evening. Tom and Samantha are getting married tomorrow. I'm running a race for charity this weekend. Well done. Now let's have some practice. The present for future events. The present simple and present continuous can be used to talk about future events that are already planned. They are usually used with a future time word or time phrase. Let's look at our examples. The next train to Liverpool departs in 3 hours. We are talking about future. Number 1. Kevin lives in large house in Dublin. Lives, that is present simple. And we are talking about present because that is his usual position, usual location. We are talking about his routine, where he lives constantly. Number 2. The store closes early tomorrow because it's Sunday. closes early tomorrow. We are talking about future. Number 3. Megan's traveling around India with her brother Joseph. Present or future? Of course, present. Because right now she's in the middle of this action. We have 2 cats and a dog. We are talking about present. Number 5. The next flight to Zurich leaves at 9 p.m. tonight. About future. Number 6. Kiara is playing tennis with her boyfriend tomorrow afternoon. Of course, future. Number 7. Vihan likes watching action movies. Present. Number 8. I can't come to dinner with you on Friday because I'm seeing Nina. That is about prearranged action. That's why that is about future. Number 9. We have a rehearsal after work for the concert on Wednesday. That is about future. Number 10. Janet is dancing with one of her friends. She's right now dancing. That is why that is the present tense. 19.2. Cross out the incorrect words in each sentence. So, number 1. The exam is being next week. I'm nervous. Of course, is. Number 2. The bus to London usually departs is departing at 5 p.m. Departs. Number 3. Phil is taking his children to the library tomorrow. I am talking about a prearranged action. That's why is taking. Number 4. And I am talking about future because I have tomorrow. Number 4. Leg won't be at work tomorrow. He is traveling to Berlin. He is traveling. Number 5. I can't come to the meeting tomorrow. I'm having a doctor's appointment. I am having. Number 6. Mel and Phil are getting married this weekend. Are getting married. 19.3. Rewrite the sentences correcting the errors. Number 1. We go to a party later if you want to join us. Something is not okay. We are going. We are going to a party later if you want to join us. Number 2. The train from Glasgow arrives at 10:15 p.m. Arrives. Number 3. I go fishing with my father this afternoon. Am I talking about something which was planned in advance? Yes. So that's why I am going. Number 4. Terry works all next weekend to earn a bit of extra money. Is working. Working all next weekend to earn a bit of extra money. This is it for today, guys. Thank you for being with me, and I will see you next time. Bye!